This is a Cambrian Vision System integrated with a UR5. The camera mounted on the arm sends its images to an external PC, which is running an AI model trained on the part's CAD. This is what's controlling the robot's motion. The vision system will also search in a specified area for the part. Each cycle, we can see the connector is dropped from a height and lands in a completely random orientation and position. The vision system identifies the part, determines the optimal grasp, and sends the robot its instructions in real time. The user can set predefined grasp points on the part. Multiple AI models can be run simultaneously if you are using multiple parts. The camera can be fixed mounted or flange mounted. There are also additional UR script functions that give the user added functionality when deployed on a UR. This allows the user to set case conditions for how each part is grasped. As we can see, if the connector lands in one specific orientation, the robot goes into a different motion routine. For the robot program, specifically the search region, approach, and exit points are all generated by the vision system. Within the vision system software, knobs can be turned to adjust constraints on how the part is grasped. It's not just a black box. This is what adaptive, vision-guided automation actually looks like. Thanks for watching.